Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Landlord accounting files in QuickBooks Online. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Landlord accounting files in QuickBooks Online, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the menu, select Export Data. You will be directed. Here, you will see various options for data export. Choose the Reports tab to start backing up important accounting reports. Select the accounting reports you wish to back up, such as profit and loss statements or balance sheets. Now, click on the Export to Excel button for the reports you have selected. Once the reports are generated, they will be downloaded as Excel files to your device. Next, navigate to your device's Downloads folder to locate the exported files. Open the downloaded Excel files to ensure that all data has been exported correctly. For additional backup, consider exporting your invoices and sales data. Return to the Export Data page and select the Lists tab. Under this tab, choose Customers and any other relevant lists you need to backup. Click Export to Excel for these lists as well. Ensure that all necessary data is backed up by checking each section of the Export Data page. Once all files are exported and verified, it's crucial to store them safely. Consider adding them to a cloud storage solution or an external hard drive for safekeeping. Regularly repeating this process will help maintain up-to-date backups of your Landlord accounting files. By following these steps, you can ensure that your important accounting data is secure and easily retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.